Get away from you.
Let's go, Way to go, Texans! Let's go, let's go! Let's go, Texans! Come on!
James, pay attention!
Get him, Bobby, get him! Bobby, get him! Get him! Great job, Dominic! I don't think they...
Bobby!
Go with the person. Let's go, Tornado!
Bobby!
James!
Watch your outside!
Watch your guy! Your guy moves, you move! Watch your guy!
Hey, let's go, defense!
Come on, James. You want to stay undefeated? Wesley, get in there!
What are you trying to do? Let's go, kids!
Get the play!
Go with him, James!
Go with him! Go with your guy! Go! Go! Get him! All right, Bobby!
Bobby said this. Chloe was like this.
Okay, defense, you got to hold him!
James! Let's go! Pay attention!
Got it, James! Man! Back up! Back up!
Let's hold him.
You got it, James! Let's go! Let's go, boys!
Did they score? Did they score?
Yeah. Boo, Texans! Oh, no, don't do that. He kicked out.
They can't tell me what to say. I'm 41 years old.
Oh, she don't explain
If I want to get out here,
Oh, what's up?
I do that too.
That's right. That's right.
I'll do it with you, damn it.
They're going Jerry Spring. They show
That's
booty.
right. That's right.
Let me stop.
We got to wait till the game's over, love. Come on, guys, you got this.
Come on, James! Get that flag! Get that flag!
He need to be in tackle because this ain't for him. He's balling with the ball.
I don't think it's right that their coaches have been sitting on all